ready to take the caliper off. That was a wee bit of a biatch, mostly because I was an idiot and forgot to compress the pistons. Pistons plural. I am happy to find that it's a dual piston caliper, so that's fun. All right, we're taking this entire mamma jamma apart. There's going to be a lot of hammering, a lot of cussing. So if you have delicate sensibilities, now's the time to fast forward. Or put me on mute. Or just close the video altogether because I'm stupid. Either or. The idea is, that's tightening, isn't it? Yep, that's tightening it. Hey! I would like to use some ground force. But I don't think that's going to be possible. Hey. Tasty. Right. Yeah. Cool. Do it again. All right, she's broke. Yeah. Woo! Come on. Well, that's a plus. I don't have to use the hammer. I'm a little disappointed by that. So far, all of the rotors have come off without any such issue. I say that now, the driver's side is going to throw up a huge fight. Where are we at next on our adventure, kids? It's going to be the upper control arm and work our way down. Oh, shit. Okay. Cool, let's get to it. Those are freaking huge, by the way. Thankfully, I have soaked them sons of bitches with penetrating oil. But it's still going to take a lot of he-manning to get that shit going. See if I can zoom in for you. Oh, that's not bad. We're going to change that light source a little. I'm going to guess that's a 7/8. Actually, you know what? I have 21 on there right now. Let's see how close we are. Oh, 21 actually goes. Well, here we go. Here we go. Now, trying to take out the shock absorber. And oops, I did it again. So yeah, I'm pretty glad that I am changing out all of this hot garbage. Bye, buddy. We don't need you anymore. Oh, okay. Like last time before I actually get some real work done on here, I just really wanted to document the damage done here. So bolt sheared, down here, bolt sheared, and the other end is still stuck in there. I forgot what it's called, but the bump stop is non-existent. Upper ball joint completely obliterated. And this lower ball joint is on its way out. Ugh. The dude told me when he bought it, or I bought it from him, that he was going to drive this thing for another 100,000 miles. I don't know how the fuck he intended to do that. No idea. Oh, and by the way, the driver's side isn't much better. The upper ball joint destroyed, the tie rod joint dead, the lower ball joint non-existent. Where's that bump stop? Hey, that thing is gone. Yeah. Whoo, buddy. This thing's a death trap.